Hey yo, what is up mga kalupa? Nandito na naman tayo sa isang site natin at tayo ay namimingwit ng mga subscriber. Papakita ko sa inyo, yun nga pala, teka. Yung mga kaibigan kong nag-subscribe na, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kalupa. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako aabot sa ganito. Ngayon, dahil desperado na ako at kailangan ko ng abutin ang dapat abutin, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang persahang pagso-subscribe. Gagamitin natin ang power natin dito mga kalupa. Pagka hindi kaya ng pakiusapan, daanin sa persahan. So ayun, wait lang tayo ha, papakita ko sa inyo maya.
Our wall like this,
Yeah, okay.
but our wall inclined. This area is small and narrow. Go up, it will be more
What na?
like this. Means this distance and this distance different. That's why this bar also going various. That corner not exactly matching. This very area, various area.
How is that possible?
Yeah.
Okay, the wall like this. The wall like this. Okay, this one should be a little bit up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Now
This
vertical
thickness how much?
37.
30, all 30, right?
No,
30.
Yeah.
This one should be 30,
All.
300. All this 300.
300. Yeah.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Our vertical is no problem, but vertical there is the like a same column in corner.
Column in corner.
Yeah, like same. We have 12 bar in this corner.
Yeah.
But this is the only vertical. This incline area, this bar not go same direction. This bar from here go like this various. Okay.
In inclined, I think it's not applicable this one.
That's why what I do, this bar, bottom bar, I make like this, and only distribution, and top bar I make like this. Distribution only. And I have this bar same position in like a column. I make this one long bar like here, maybe here 1 meter, here 1 meter, and this both are 2 meter traveling in this corner. Other this continued like this here. Another one. Top one I make like a Z bar, and make the overlap here more.
Okay, I think it's not a problem.
It's no problem, but just I discuss with you before fixing. That is the better for me.
See, the column only here.
Yeah, only here,
Only here and here.
Yeah. This up no problem. Up no problem. Up vertical.
The diagonal no.
This area diagonal not coming exact. That is the problem.
Yeah.
Because this like this. That's why.
Yeah.
Up this vertical.
Yeah.
Okay, I will make the column same.
Yeah.
Below. But
No.
this area, that is the problem. That's
Yeah.
why.
For diagonal no problem. You distribute.
Yeah, distribute.
Yeah.
That's
Then
it.
when you start the vertical again here, you will
Yeah,
put.
I will add some bar
you will put again the column.
Same column.
And put
Additional bar. I put like that additional bar
Yeah.
in this area.
Yes.
We need the 12 bar in this area.
Yeah.
I make same 12 bar. But this incline area also I put 12 bar, more than 12,
Yeah.
14 bar I think
Yeah.
there. But up it will be same 12 bar.
Mhm.
And I make some chair here and make some links like this here.
Mhm.
Okay.
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 But no problem with the length of bars in the diagonal and in the vertical.
No, that's why I more than required. See, I make 1 meter here, 1 meter here means
What is the plan? You have to cast until
this area.
Until-
We make until this area, maybe 10 centi off like this.
Mhm. How you will vibrate it?
This area maybe they make the shutter. I don't know what is there.
You will put windows for vibration. Open.
Make some ply like this.
Small opening.
Small one,
Yeah.
and casting from here, vibrator finish up
Yes.
to here concrete,
Then
then close
close,
this one
yes.
and make here.
Yeah.
In my idea, I make L2 like this, but here there is big format. I can. I'm right. Keep it. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You are good, huh?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the compliment. But every time you are talking only your channel and only Filipino language. Why you not talking English?
Now you can watch my channel speaking English with you.
Okay, that was
Next
today
video.
evening I must.
So ayun mga kalupa, magaling na foreman yun. Indiano siya pero para na rin siyang engineer.
Hindi Indiano, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Nepali pala, Nepali.
Nepali ba yun?
Nepali, hindi Indiano.
Hindi Sri Lanka or ni Bangladesh.
Hindi.
Akala ko
Indiano, di Sri Lanka, di Bangladesh.
Nepali pala yun.
Nag-aral daw yun ang civil engineering pero kung ano nangyari.
Siya nga pala si Engineer Ibrahim dito.
Hi, hello.
Siya ang QA/QC ng contractor.
Magandang araw dito sa Qatar. Magandang hapon dyan sa Pilipinas.
Ayos. Sinong gusto mong batiin sa Pilipinas nga pala?
Ay, lahat na ng mga tao doon. Kapamilya natin yan. Lalo na sa ating mahal na presidente.
Galing-galing, no?
Oh,
Galing-galing ang presidente
talaga
natin,
yan.
no?
Suportahan natin yan.
Bilib ako sa speech ng presidente natin sa UN.
Oo, talaga.
Magaling, nakaka-proud maging Pilipino. Number wahid.
Dalawa lang sila ni Marcos ang ang magaling na presidente sa Pilipinas eh.
Oh, narinig niya mga kalupa.
Nga pulakay.
Nakaka-proud maging Pilipino mga kalupa. Gusto ko nung bumalik ng Pilipinas. Yes, tell me. Tell me, Kasti. He is the engineer of Al Darwish Engineering
For this project.
for this project for L4.
project.
This is only once I see you when there is problem.
Yes, sir.
When you need some
Actually, consultant needs to solve the problem.
when you need something, I see you.
Because I don't want to disturb you every time for nothing, you know.
Sometimes I'm calling you, you are not answering. But when you call me, I answer you.
It's not like that. Yeah.
Don't worry, Faisal.
Actually,
His engineer Faisal and his nickname is Tastic. Okay, tell me what's the problem? How can I help you?
now this still it is discussed with you.
Yeah,
Surya.
yeah.
So
It's not short, no? It's regarding the 12 bars column on the vertical.
yeah.
This vertical, you have just to add some bars on the diagonal.
Yes, diagonal.
You have to put these 12 bars also in the diagonal.
And the
Yeah,
connection
yeah.
with the alternative.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
What about fishing for this week?
Huh?
This week fishing where?
Fishing?
Fishing? No,
Fishing videos?
Yes.
Yeah, you are not watching?
I'm watching. I'm asking this week where you are going? Which place?
Wakra.
Wakra.
Yeah. Wakra Beach. Wakra Family Beach. You know the family beach in Al Wakra?
You are a bachelor. Then how do you allow to go to
No, outside the family beach.
out of family beach?
Yeah. What you are thinking that I go inside the family beach with the lady? You know mga kalupa, the family beach is only allowed, is allowed to enter the family beach if you accompanying with a lady or a woman or children. But if you don't have anyone,
You cannot be entered there.
you cannot enter that beach.
Yes.
So he's thinking that I have a lady with me to enter that beach.
Sometimes friends, sometimes colleagues.
My friend, even friends are not allowed. My wife is watching.
No, so your wife is not allow any colleagues.
No,
to
with our family friend, no problem.
Yeah.
But the time we go all together, all bachelors, no? So we just park outside the family beach.
Because sometimes staffs are planning outtrips. Sometimes colleagues are planning the outtrips for the weekend, holidays.
Your colleagues?
Yes, sometimes.
You want to catch also?
For example, Mr. Ibrahim, he has female colleagues, in the QC department. Too many.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes he goes, but we cannot blame him that he is going with
Why he's not telling me?
He did not tell you?
Yeah.
Why?
Maybe more than 1 year, 2 years now, I did not go to beach.
No low battery.
I did not go to beach. During my family was here, I go to beach. We often go to beach every weekend, we are going in the beach.
So you almost finished the structure, huh?
Almost. Now we are concentrating.
After this wall, it will become easy.
Yes.
We will do the slab, then another wall, then slab, right?
There's a vertical wall also.
One more slab after this.
Two more.
Too much.
7th floor and 8th floor.
It will come like that again. Yeah. 5,
6, nasa slab yan. So
7,
7,
8. Yeah.
I'm going to 7. Remaining is 6 to 7.
2 more floors. That will take until December, no?
to 7.
After too much incentive will come.
Huh?
After incentive will come, everyone 10,000 clear. Clear not dollar.
Incentive?
How much? 10,000?
For everyone. QC 10,000, site engineer 10,000.
Really?
That is very impossible, Faisal.
Incentive maybe 15,000.
Really?
That is very impossible.
Where in the world you it's like that?
No, here is special. No?
In Darwish they are giving like that?
No, military will give us. They are very happy with us. No?
Military?
Yes.
Sure? They are giving money here on the side?
No, they will encourage because we did not make any pollution in the environment. We did not make any incident. Our quality is very good. We prove our company is on time working, quality working, no pollution, no violation. And in this area, it's air traffic area, So
that is possible if the military
So they will give encourage people work exemplary Darwish Engineering WLL how they are performing themselves. on-time achievement, quality achievement, no violation, no environmental pollution. Everything is perfect.
Only this side.
Yeah, only this side.
Other
As
side,
for
other
other
side,
side, I don't know.
Only this side.
So they will give incentives for us?
Encouraging, yes, encouraging.
Inshallah,
Something.
inshallah.
How?
Inshallah.
How they will give?
Inshallah.
Maybe incentive for everyone.
Maybe.
Who work here.
They should give cash here.
Allah
It will not pass to the company.
But if it is coming from the west, then that is impossible. But in the military, it's good. No
They are
problem.
very
Yeah.
happy, our client is very happy. So
They are happy with the consultant?
they are happy with the consultant, our contractor, subcontractor, all our stakeholders in the project. Correct? Yes. Everyone. How you make it also?
Binobola ako nito mga kalupa. Oh.
What you say?
They said you are telling good to me.
Yes.
Inshallah.
The main project is certified with the engineer clearance, you know. If there is no structural, then nothing. So, engineer clearance is the most.
So, I will ask you, how do you find working with me? Am I difficult or am I easy?
Very fair person. Always finding solutions for the technical issues and then helping the people. Correct, Mr. Ibrahim?
Yes.
And sometimes shouting too much?
That is a part of the work.
It is
That is a part of the
nature
work.
of human being,
Yeah.
you know. All the people are not the same. So,
Although you are shouting us,
Very-
you are helping us.
very straightforward man.
Yeah, you are
Very
helping
gentle
us.
man. Not like another people, yeah.
Don't compare me with other people. I'm different. Ah.
Okay.
Okay, see you.
Mr. Ibrahim.
Still not allowed. Shake hand, Tastic. I have to spray.
Maybe Engineer Cesar will come on time.
Strict, like foundation.
Huh? Street Light Foundation, you have to coordinate with the relevant trade.
I already talked to this electrical consultant, to our electrical engineer, and he said that just let coordinate with you.
Me? No, never. I never check electrical light pole
Still you will not.
for all the sites. I'm sorry. So you have to go coordinate with the trade which is involved in that.
Anyway, the NEP, they will approve this one.
Okay?
Titing lang naman ng electrical dyan, yung mga...
So, ayun mga kalupa, hindi natin nagamit ang powers natin ngayon at hindi bumalik yung taong inutusan natin. Pero next time, pipilitin natin na dumami yung subscriber natin. Walang power ngayon. Sige, next vlog ulit. Bye bye. Tsaka pala, shout out sa inyo lahat ng mga tumulong sa pagbuo ng channel ko, sa mga nag-subscribe at sa mga nanonood ng videos ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nasa 600k watch 600k 600 watch hour na tayo, 650 watch hours, and sana ngayong araw madagdagan ng another 50 watch hours. So mga 700 na watch hours na siguro tayo mamaya. And ang ano natin ngayon, update sa viewers natin, sa subscribers natin, nasa 639 na. So ilan yun? 639, ilan pa? 331. Hindi, 361 pa mga kalupa. So sana sa mga nanonood dyan, please abutin nyo naman ang 1,000. Naiinip na ako kasi malapit na mag-Disyembre mga kalupa. Kailangan matapos natin tong mission na to. At pagkatapos ito, kaya na tayo. At magantay na lang tayo ng mga subscriber na gusto talagang manood. Pero sa ngayon, persahan muna ha. Pasensya na po. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Bye bye.